If OneNote is acting slow, glitchy, or not syncing properly, clearing the cache can be a simple fix that often helps restore smooth performance. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear OneNote cache safely. And I'll also show you the important first step you should never skip before deleting anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start by protecting your notes. Open OneNote, then click File, go to Info, and select View Sync Status. From there, click Sync All so your latest changes are saved before you make any changes to the local files. This is an important safety step because it helps make sure everything is uploaded and synced before clearing the cache. Once that's done, close OneNote completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure the app is fully closed. Also, check your system tray and taskbar to confirm OneNote is not still running in the background. If it is open in the background, right-click it and exit it fully. This matters because if OneNote is still running, the cache files may still be in use, and you may not be able to delete them properly. Next, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run Dialog box. This is the quickest way to jump directly to the folder we need. In the Run box, paste this folder path exactly as shown, %local app data %. Then press Enter. That will open your local app data folder. From here, go into the Microsoft folder and then open the OneNote folder. Inside, you'll see a folder for your current OneNote version. In many Microsoft 365 installations, this will be the 16.0 folder. Open the folder that matches your version number. Now look for a folder specifically named Cache. Once you find it, right-click the cache folder and choose Delete. If you prefer, you can open the cache folder and delete all of the files inside it instead. Either method clears the OneNote cache and can help fix syncing issues, loading problems, and strange performance behavior. After the cache has been removed, reopen OneNote. The app will rebuild the cache automatically as needed, so don't worry if it takes a moment the first time it launches. Sign back in if prompted, let your notebook sync, and check whether the issue is resolved. That's it. You've now cleared the OneNote cache safely and restarted the app with a fresh cache. If this video helped, please like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want more OneNote tips, Microsoft 365 tutorials, or quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.